Hello! Today, together with you, we will unbox this Beko MGC20130 20-liter 700-watt microwave oven that was bought for Grandma. We will also install it in Grandma's kitchen, test the microwave oven by heating up some food, and measure the power consumption while doing so. This Beko microwave oven is equipped with several automatic programs and a touch button panel. If you have any questions while watching this video, feel free to write them below the video. But now, let's get started.